Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'm going to show you how to install your new Engine Bay accessory mount into your Pajero. So without further ado, let's get into it. Right, so if you have a Gen 3 Pajero or a Gen 4 Pajero, this will be for you guys. Now, let's say you have some accessories and you want to mount it inside your engine bay, but you're not sure where to do it. You have this big open space over here, but as you can see, there's no mounts for it. So that's why we've come up with the engine bay mount that's going to sit right here, and then you can install all your accessories to it. So let me show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like in the packaging. You get all your necessary nuts and bolts, and then here's your engine bay mount. So let me just unwrap this, then I can show you what it looks like. Perfect, here we go. And that's what it looks like, guys. So it's a very simple design we've made, and it's going to work a treat. So when you put it inside your Pajero, it's going to sit like that over there. Boom. So that's what it's going to look like. So you have all this room to mount accessories to it. My Gen 4 Pajero actually looks like a mess. As you can see, there's like a bunch of cut-ups that I've made and Bunnings mounts that I've added together to come up with this idea, and it doesn't look very great. So I'm excited to install this engine bay mount and show you guys what it looks like. Right, so in your Pajero, just have a look over here. There's likely going to be 2 bolts already in there. Now what you want to do is get a 10mm socket, get them out, and then you can use the new bolts to go in there. Now you also notice there is a wire here. So what we need to do is use some spacers just so the bracket doesn't sit right up against it, and that's why you're going to use these spacers provided in the kit. Okay, now it is very straightforward. So essentially you have your 2 bolts. All right, so that's going to go on this side. So 1 and 2. All right. And then on the other side, you're going to put the other 2 washers, 1, 2, and then you're going to put the spacers on, 1, 2, and then you can bolt it in to those holes. So there you can see what it looks like. So yep, just make sure it grabs, and then you can make it tighter. Now just make it loosely tight, just so it can actually move left and right, but it needs to go all the way up against the body. And you'll see there is another hole there, so it needs to line up with that hole like that. Then we're going to put the other bolts through there. So next up, what you're going to use is this one over here. So it's a little small one, and then also has a lock nut. So what you want to do is grab some long pliers, all right? So what you're going to do essentially is hold this nut like that, okay? And then just don't lose your grip. You're going to put it in behind there. So on your Pajero, there will be a little hole. You can actually squeeze it past through at the back. So there you go. So that's now in. And once it is lined up, so as you can see it's now lined up, you want to use your other hand and put that bolt in. So I'm currently holding the camera, so I'm just going to do that now and then show you what it looks like. And too easy, as you can see, that's now all tight. So as soon as it grips on, just keep your long nose pliers on there, hold the nut, then you can turn this on, and once it's tight, it's tight. That lock nut will make sure it doesn't move an inch. But yeah, after you've done that, now you can tighten up those 2, and then it's installed, and that literally takes less than 5 minutes. And there you go, guys. So everything is now nice and tight, and as you can see, this thing is rock solid. So yeah, you have literally all this room to mount things like secondary fuel filters, a red arc controller or isolator. Yeah, there's heaps of things. Whatever you fancy, you can now mount there, and it's all nice and solid. So there you go, guys. As easy as that, you have your new engine bay accessory mount. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like with accessories on the Gen 4 model. Too easy. So there you go, guys. That is how easy it is to install, and as you can see, I've mounted a bunch of accessories to it, and it's just working awesome, and it really looks good as well. So yeah, guys, if you want to grab yourself one, you know where to head. It's on our website. But yeah, thank you so much for all your support, and if you have any other questions, make sure to drop it down below. Yeah, thanks guys, have a good one, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.